Eating healthy on a budget requires some planning, creativity, and mindful shopping. Here are some tips to help you maintain a nutritious diet without breaking the bank. Meal planning: plan your meals for the week ahead of time. This will help you create a shopping list and avoid impulse purchases. Cook at home: preparing meals at home is generally more cost-effective than dining out. Cooking allows you to control ingredients and portions, and you can make larger batches to have leftovers for later. Buy whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and bulk items, example, beans, lentils, rice, tend to be more affordable and nutritious compared to prepackaged foods. Seasonal and local produce: choose fruits and vegetables that are in season and locally grown. They are often cheaper and more flavorful. Frozen produce: frozen fruits and vegetables are a budget-friendly option and can be just as nutritious as fresh. They also have a longer shelf life, reducing waste. Coupons and sales: look for coupons, discounts, and sales in grocery store flyers, online, or through loyalty programs. Stock up on non-perishable items when they're on sale. Generic and store brands: opt for store brand or generic products, which are usually less expensive than name brands but often offer similar quality. Bulk buying: purchase staples like rice, beans, oats, and nuts in bulk. They often cost less per unit and can be used in multiple meals. Limit processed foods: processed and convenience foods tend to be more expensive and less nutritious. Focus on whole ingredients that you can prepare yourself. Protein alternatives: replace meat with affordable protein sources like beans, lentils, eggs, and canned fish, example, tuna, salmon, to save money. Plan for leftovers: cook larger batches of meals and use leftovers for lunches or dinners on subsequent days. DIY snacks: make your own snacks, such as trail mix with nuts and dried fruits, yogurt parfaits, or popcorn, instead of buying packaged snacks. Limit sugary beverages: drink water instead of sugary drinks like soda and fruit juices. Water is not only healthier but also cheaper. Comparison shop: compare prices and unit costs to get the best deals. Consider shopping at different stores for different items if it saves you money. Limit meat consumption: meat can be expensive, so consider having meatless meals a few times a week. Plant-based proteins like beans and lentils are more budget-friendly. Garden or grow herbs: if you have the space, consider growing your own herbs or even some vegetables to save on costs. Avoid food waste: plan your meals to use up ingredients before they go bad. Use leftovers creatively to prevent waste. Use apps and tools: there are various apps and websites that help you find deals, compare prices, and create shopping lists. By combining these strategies, you can make informed choices that allow you to enjoy a nutritious and balanced diet while managing your budget effectively.